Real estate investors can shelter income produced by their rental real estate via depreciation deductions. But what many investors don't know is that they can drastically boost their depreciation deduction in the first year that they hold their rental real estate. This can create huge windfalls in terms of tax savings. I'm Brandon Hall, CEO of the Real Estate CPA. Today, I'm going to give you 2 tips that you can use to drastically increase your tax savings on your next real estate investment. Before we get started, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll be notified whenever we release new videos. And if you really like our content, check out a virtual workshop at www.therealestatecpa.com/virtual-workshop. All right, the first tip is to get a cost segregation study performed whenever you buy a new property. A cost segregation study is the practice of reallocating value from the building to the various components that make up the building. The idea is to allocate value to 5, 7, 15, and 27.5-year property. Your fridge is not going to last 27.5 years, so a cost segregation study takes some amount of that purchase price and it allocates some value to that fridge at a 5-year rate rather than 27.5 years. A cost segregation study helps you write things off faster, so your depreciation deduction will drastically increase over 5 years. If you've used a cost segregation study in the past, comment below with yes. If not, comment no. That's really going to help me build better content in the future for you. The second tip, and this is where it gets interesting, is to claim 100% bonus depreciation. So thanks to the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act in 2017, we now have the ability to 100% bonus depreciate any component with a useful life of less than 20 years. So going back to tip number 1, we get a cost segregation study performed. We allocate value from that purchase price. We allocate value to 5, 7, and 15-year property. Well, if we also claim 100% bonus depreciation, we can immediately expense the 5, 7, and 15-year property. Generally, with cost segregations on multifamily property, you can immediately expense anywhere between 25 to 30% of the entire asset in the first year. So the combination of cost segregation studies and 100% bonus depreciation will produce large passive losses and give you the ability to save a lot of money on your taxes. Thanks for watching the video today. Please like, comment, share this with your friends. Let everybody know that we're here and we're producing good content. I really appreciate it.